Hi, Cassie. Hi.
Hi.
Hi there. Hi there. You going steady, honey? Hey? Are you married? You going steady? You like your work, honey?
Yeah.
Right?
Tell Grandpa, say get up.
Yeah.
Whoop! Whoop!
You fell off the horse.
Oh! Lord.
Tell him, say giddy up or I'm gonna jump.
Lord. Get up, okay. Hi there. Hi there. Are we having fun? I'm gonna laugh. I'm gonna laugh. Yeah. Why laugh? Oh, you got guns. Oh boy. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. I got you. Boom, boom. Boom.
Tell Grandpa, say stick 'em up.
Stick it up.
Tell him, say stick 'em up, Grandpa.
That's what Pat used to say to him. To
Yeah.
have a gun. Stick it up, Dad. Or stick it up, Dad. And he said, I did, honey, and that's how I got you.
Okay, and on that note, we'll stop recording.